Today we are installing a Peterson Pocket Door system with a Hawa 80B track and wheels into a pocket door frame that was already manufactured for us for our job site in Santa Barbara. Architectural Millwork does an incredible job, and they provided for us a really new concept of pocket door frames that will work with the Peterson Pocket Door system. So follow us and we'll get this thing done for you. I hope you guys liked this video. This pocket door frame was really great. Architectural Millwork from Santa Barbara did a great job building the frame and engineering this frame for Peterson Pocket Door. So you guys out there that are wanting your frames made by someone else, call Architectural Millwork of Santa Barbara. They did a great job, and you'll enjoy working with them. So thanks again, Art Millwork, and hope you guys like this video.